friends and families, today for our small group activity, we're going to play a game called Counting and Comparing. And it focuses on the objective, compares, and measures. Now families, if you could please gather some toys, different groups of toys for this activity. I am using vehicles such as cars and airplanes, and I'm also using toy blocks. You can use any toys that you have. Just make sure that you have multiples of each group of toys, enough to count and compare. All right, you're also going to need some pieces of paper and a marker, crayon, or pencil, whatever you have to write with at home, so that we can label the groups. So the first thing you're going to do is talk to your child about the different toys that you collected, and try to encourage them to use their words to describe the toys and the differences between them. So with our blocks, what can we do with blocks? We can build with them. We can build with blocks. What shape are the blocks? Have them count the sides with you. Talk about them. If you have cars or vehicles like I do, you can talk about what makes them move. What are these? Talk about the wheels that help them to move and roll. Talk about real life, if they've ever been on an airplane before. How about what the difference is between a car and an airplane? There's so many things you can talk about with toys. So once you get that language going, you're going to ask your children how we can group them. What can we make our groups? Try to think of an idea to write and label. So, for example, you might want to label, if you're using vehicles, you might want to label them toys with wheels. If you're using blocks, you might want to label them toys you can build with. And then you're going to have your child use their 3-finger grip to write the words. So I'm going to write blocks I can build with. So toys I can build with. Talk about the letter sounds when you're writing. Encourage them to use their letter sound correspondence and listen to the letter sounds and write. All right, so I'm going to write toys I can build with. What's the first letter? T. Good job. Toys. Two. That's another T. Two. B. Good. Build with. And my last word, with. W. Good. Toys to build with. Here's my label. Toys to build with. I'm going to put them over here because we can build with blocks. And toys with wheels. T. Good. We're spelling toys again. Toys. W. With wheels. Wheels. Another W. Toys with wheels. Great job. And so here's my example. So now we have 2 different categories. Now we can count each toy in each category and compare which has more, which has fewer. Talk about those words, comparing. More, fewer, less than. Which group do you think has more? Do my toys that I build with have more? Or do my toys with wheels have more? What do you think just by looking at them? Good job if you, just by looking, could recognize that there are more blocks than toys with wheels. Great job. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. And 1, 2, 3, 4 vehicles. Which one is fewer? That means less. 4 is fewer than 5. And have your child use their fingers too when they're counting. All right, families, those are some really fun ideas that you can do with this activity at home. And I hope you and your child enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Have fun!